But it's inside the car where luxury and cost dramatically increases. To create a virtually silent ride, Rolls-Royce adds approximately £300 of acoustic insulation around the cabin. Its tyre manufacturer, Continental, even developed special foam-filled tyres, which reduced the noise of the road by 9 decibels. The results were so profound that Rolls-Royce removed some soundproofing to avoid causing acoustic sensory deprivation.
Hi guys, this is Franco. The video that I'm learning this week is why Rolls-Royce cars are so expensive. And the words that I've learned are acoustic insulation. Acoustic is an adjective which means relating to sound or hearing. Insulation means materials that can stop sound, heat, cold from entering. So acoustic insulation is what we install to prevent sound escaping. This is very common to see in band rooms. Let's check out one more example.
Wind Tunnel 1 features a special acoustic insulation and is particularly appropriate for acoustic measurements. The focus is on the noise of vehicle components at different speeds and naturally at different temperatures and air humidity values.
Thanks for watching. You may also find the vocab flashcards of this week in the description. See ya.